amid luxurious destinations. There is a place where silence becomes true sophistication. Each villa is a handcrafted masterpiece, nestled within a Miyawaki forest pocket of 24 unique ecological themes. Inside, every detail follows international resort standards: open, refined, and absolutely private. Panoramic glass walls bring the entire forest into your living space. Hidden within the villa is a private, experience basement, crafted for sensory rituals and refined indulgence. A secret world reserved only for its owner. The upper floor opens to a private balcony, overlooking a lush garden, your serene green view. Eco Retreat, where luxury is defined by silence, privacy, and nature's pure beauty. Contact NTN Echo for exclusive ownership.